This video teaches you how to open an Excel file. Find and right-click the Excel file you want to open. Select Microsoft Excel on the Open with menu. This will launch Excel on your computer and open the selected file. You can also open Microsoft Excel online in your internet browser. Using Google Sheets. Select the file uploaded in Google Drive. Click the three dots. Open with. Select Google Sheets.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.